Hello and welcome back. Sorry, just things gonna move everything, ruin everything. Yeah, I was just thinking for today, like it's pretty late, so there's probably not gonna be much in the way of changing things. But having said that, I can start marking off where like the green parts. I'll show you what I mean. It's like these parts here. Oh, it's not coming out with the mouse. There we go. These parts. We can start marking those off. So, drag this back over here. I'm just going to zoom back in, just give me a sec. Awesome. So yeah, I'll just mask off those. So this actually needs to be shaped a little differently. We're going to put a little crease in there. Okay, that's good. We'll just move this part of the crease down a bit. Cool. Alright, sorry. I'm just concentrating now. Yeah, so I guess the easiest way to do this might be to mask the area that we want. So we won't make it a perfect oval shape, but we'll go pretty close. And then we'll insert that, and then we'll probably just like use inflate, to be honest, and just because we're just going to push it in a little bit, because the bubbly bit will be a separate subtool. So it really doesn't matter what brush you use to push it down. Inflate just came to mind, but you could use move tool, I suppose. So we've got like a little divot here for where we're going to put that subtool, and I guess we might as well just do one as a test. So we would go into like subtools here, and we'll go append. We want another sphere. We'll take that sphere and we'll move it this way. And there. We don't need all that geometry either, so we'll get rid of some of that as well. And now we'll rotate it this way. We're rotating it this way so that one of our axes is kind of in line with the direction that this is kind of flowing. So like that. We can stretch it out like that. And then if we really wanted to be pedantic, we could rotate this around so that this axis is pointing down, and scale down, and then we'll move that in place like that. It's not going to be perfect because it's, again, not a perfect oval. But then we can come in here and use the move tool and move everything into place. Like that. And now he has a little poppy sack thing. Just shape this a bit better. Kind of looks like a bad jelly bean, to be honest, but that's cool. Alright. I'm gonna go back to this for a second, and we're going to just layer this around like so. We might give it some more geometry so it can build properly. Okay. Alright. Let's just go into Solo, see what's happened here. Alright, so let's cut this a bit. Alright, we'll undo that. See if we can mask just the top here. Perfect. So we can invert that mask, and we can use the move tool, and we'll just bring up the parts that we want just a bit. There we go. Just so that this looks like two pieces now. There's no point in splitting it, it's not going to be too detailed, but it's got that split, which is good. We'll save that, and we'll probably leave it there. Yeah, but hopefully you've had a good Friday, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Alright, cheers guys.